Installing Magento 2 on Windows 10 involves setting up a local development environment with software like XAMPP or web server, configuring dependencies, and installing Magento. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download required software. Install XAMPP or web server to create a local web server environment on your Windows 10 system. Enable required PHP extensions. Enable PHP extensions required for Magento 2, such as PHP extensions like INTL, XLS, GD, and PDO-MySQL in your PHP configuration file. Download Magento 2. Download the latest version of Magento 2 from the official Magento website or GitHub repository. Create a database. Use phpMyAdmin or a similar tool to create a MySQL database for Magento 2. Install Composer. Install Composer, a dependency manager for PHP on your Windows 10 system. Install Magento 2. Use Composer to install Magento 2 by navigating to your Magento root directory in the command line and running the Composer install command. Magento Setup Wizard. Follow the Magento Setup Wizard to configure your store settings, including database connection, admin account setup, and store locale. Run Magento. Access your Magento 2 store by navigating to the localhost URL in your web browser and begin customizing and configuring your store as needed.